26 November 2021 is not far away and people across the world are waiting for Black Friday and Cyber Monday to grab unbelievable deals. This deal is so lucrative that sometimes users even buy products they do not need, but because of heavy discounts, they end up buying the product. Generally, users have various questions before buying in this sale like, but is it worth buying gadgets on this sale? Are these gadgets original? Do they have the same warranty and guarantee as the showroom product? Do they have the latest OS installed? Will it be beneficial to invest in an outdated product? Well, these questions are self-explanatory because users know what exactly they want, but still we are giving a brief explanation to all such questions which might arise while you plan to invest money during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. To know what you want, the first thing which users need to keep in mind is they want an electronic device to fulfill their needs or to flaunt the latest technology. If you are the one who is looking forward to investing money in electronic gadgets, for example a laptop, then you can go with the previous version of the laptop instead of the latest one because of its huge price difference and not much technological advancement. Although truly speaking, this is the best deal for PC laptops. You get a brand new PC which is not exactly outdated but just a previous version at latest discounts. It is a well-known fact that tech giants like Apple, Dell, Samsung always introduce their upcoming products on their websites from where users can see what new features are there in the upcoming product. Therefore, if users think that the new technology is of their use, then they can wait for the launch of the product, else they can buy the previous version of those products from the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. As we know that Apple launches its new iPhone every year and there is not much difference in the descendant iPhone. So you can purchase the descendant iPhone at unbelievable prices in this deal. If you have a desire to play video games and you wish to purchase PS or Xbox, and the deal is here. Generally, new updates in video games are announced in the month of May and the year-end sale gives you the best discounts on the previous versions which are not outdated yet and which get the system updates for the next 2 or 3 years. It's a must-go deal for all gamers. As we know, it's a simple game of demand and supply. Therefore, the demand generally decreases of the previous models and supply increases with huge discounts. Such discounts are luring and distributors have enough quantities of these models in their stock which they have to sell in no time. Therefore, the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals are great for sellers and buyers both because sellers sell the outdated product and users purchase it because they get heavy discounts. As these all electronic products have heavy discounts on them, so some users might think that the product is refurbished or there is some difference in the product. But let me assure you for one thing that you get all the products in the brand new condition and also you get the warranty and guarantee of the product as per the company norms. You also get the after sale service as per the company norms so that if there is an issue with the product, you can get it repaired or replaced as per the policy. Also, I would like to tell you that please do thorough research before making any decision to buy an electronic gadget in the sale because at the time it happens that the company discontinues a product and seller are left with no option but to sell the product in the sale with heavy discount. On such products, there is no guarantee of after sale service or any software upgrade. Therefore, we recommend users to do a thorough analysis of the products available in the sale and then make a decision to buy the product. In my opinion, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are the best in the class year-end sales which gives you the option to buy all your dream gadgets at unbelievable prices which you cannot get anywhere else. So what are you waiting for? Just make a list of all the products which you want and grab them in the sale, but do not forget to do a deep analysis before you buy any product. Till then, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe.